Are you ready for an exciting adventure in timber transport? Join us at Tech Wizard, where we promise an unforgettable experience. Get ready for a thrilling journey. Let's embark on this adventure. Lumberjacks are always brave and fearless individuals. Their job is not simply cutting down trees. They face numerous risks from nature, and even the smallest carelessness can lead to accidents. They rely not only on physical strength, but also on the experience passed down from previous generations. As they move through the deep forest, they must precisely determine where the tree will fall and observe the wind direction to ensure safety. With courage and sharp awareness, they perform their tasks skillfully and expertly. Each day, he can fell 5 to 10 large trees, so his income is quite stable. This allows him to take good care of his family, providing a more comfortable and prosperous life. However, behind that stability are unforeseen dangers. Urban tree cutting or thinning forest requires precision and absolute safety. With Lumberjack, this task becomes easier than ever. With just one machine, you can cut trees, move them to a safe area, sort or chip them efficiently. Thanks to the flexible 360-degree rotating crane and the blade concealed behind the arm, handling wood is no longer cumbersome. With 3 machine models, LJ150, LJ300, and LJ450, you can cut trees of various sizes, ensuring they meet all your needs. The towering ancient tree stands before him like a colossal skyscraper, dwarfing everything around it. You can almost feel the primal power radiating from it as the worker pours all his strength into the unequal battle, his muscles straining. Beneath the thick canopy, he seems small, as if facing a giant beast, ready to devour anyone daring enough to challenge it. But with skill and nerves of steel, he fights on, steadfast, and conquers the massive beast. When the tree finally crashes down with a thunderous sound, the moment feels both spectacular and strange. That rugged log, once a symbol of unshakable strength and invincibility, now lies defeated, subdued by human hands. The 1.270 stump grinder is truly a powerful machine, offering the ability to remove dead tree stumps quickly and efficiently. With its mighty operating mechanism, it cuts through tough wood fibers effortlessly, as if slicing through a smooth cream. If you need to clear an area and eliminate stubborn stumps, this is the perfect assistant for the job. To prepare for the possibility of getting stuck, the Tatra tractor is equipped with a powerful winch, requiring skill and experience to navigate through the mud. The two vehicles work in perfect coordination, each wheel rolling through the slick mire. Everything is calculated by the workers. The roar of the machines echoes through the Russian forest, heightening the tension. When the truck's wheels slip, the tractor has to boost its power. In the end, both vehicles slowly overcome the challenge, leaving the harsh trial behind. The Groenevelt/Spaltzang 1270 log splitter resembles a giant scorpion, with each operation becoming a powerful performance. The sound of crack echoes as if the machine is chewing through large logs, breaking them apart into fragments, creating a scene that is both mighty and spectacular. The large scorpion-like claws press firmly, showcasing incredible strength, yet there's a finesse in every movement. Each time the machine operates, it's not just work, but an industrial art form that is truly captivating. For me, it's truly astounding to witness modern machines operating so skillfully. Massive logs, seemingly impossible to control, are neatly stacked, as if an invisible hand is orchestrating it all. Especially when I see the machine gently pulling the logs up and down the slope. I can't help but be amazed by the magnificent sight. It's not just technology at work, but also an art in every movement. Do you think the logging machine is tirelessly chopping down trees to bring them back to the edge of the forest? Not at all. In fact, it's performing a much more important task, rescuing a fellow machine trapped in a swamp. Each log is carefully lowered to create traction, step by step pulling its friend out of the treacherous mud. Watching the machine struggle, tilting as if it's about to fall, you can truly feel the difficulty of the situation. But with persistence and determination, it finally succeeded, escaping the dangerous swamp. It was a truly emotional and dramatic rescue. The Norwood Portamill PM14 is a true breakthrough in the wood processing industry. With its compact, flexible design and outstanding performance, this portable sawmill not only simplifies wood cutting, but also offers a completely new experience for woodworking enthusiasts. Whether you're a professional craftsman or just looking to create wood projects for your home, the Portamill PM14 is the perfect choice, combining convenience with powerful operation, turning every wood project into a flawless masterpiece. The Komatsu 901TX, with its 6 massive wheels, embarked on the task of transporting timber to the edge of the forest. It passed through a dangerous swamp, where, without careful preparation, it could easily sink and get stuck. However, with intelligence and experience, it loaded small branches and spread them beneath the wheels. Thanks to this, it crossed the swamp effortlessly, without sinking. What a brilliant idea. A testament to creativity in the face of adversity. It is truly astounding to witness the sophisticated operation of modern equipment. Large logs are neatly stacked, each movement like a lively symphony. Every turn and lift is powerful, yet precise. The sight of it effortlessly pulling heavy logs uphill left me in awe. It's not just machinery, it's a magnificent performance of technology and skill. TigerCat LS860 is an impressive multifunctional machine, capable of everything from cutting trees to transporting and neatly stacking logs. Its roaring sound echoes through the deep forest, making me think there was a whole crew at work. But as I got closer, I was surprised to find it working tirelessly on its own, handling every task effortlessly. It doesn't need any support, as the TigerCat LS performs all duties perfectly. Even challenging terrains pose no obstacle for it. This is truly the perfect choice for anyone looking to harvest timber solo. A powerful and unbelievably convenient machine. In the forest, if you want to move quickly, you must know the way and have a steady heart. Just like the 1210, when faced with a treacherous slope, instead of choosing the safe but distant path, it boldly charged downhill. The amazing thing is, with its superior skill and power, it handled everything smoothly without any difficulty. Watching it in action, you can't help but admire its decisiveness and finesse. Much like successful people who always find their own path, full of courage and unafraid of challenges. I had never imagined that chopping down trees could be so intense and captivating. Watching the lumberjacks at work truly broadened my perspective. The towering trees, the hum of the chainsaws slicing through the air, created a fusion of sound and natural power. A mixture of fear and excitement welled up inside me. This job is not just about strength, but also a delicate art, where courage intertwines with skill, turning each cut into a spectacular performance amidst the majestic wilderness. Amid the deep forest blanketed in white snow, each snowflake quietly falls, but it cannot hinder the tireless efforts of the workers. Two machines, the 175 NUN and the 246 WDC, accompany them, working seamlessly together in the harsh yet mesmerizing landscape of the snowy forest. Their dedication and perseverance are truly admirable. They are like warm flames amidst the cold, continuing their work with unwavering passion. Early in the morning, with the fog still thick, the John Deere 1510G was already at work, carefully picking up each log and placing it into its truck bed. Watching that scene, it was just like a wife at the supermarket, gently putting each item into her basket, meticulous and thoughtful. Quite the homemaker, isn't it? Who would have thought such a big machine could be so feminine? In the treacherous highland forests, where machinery and vehicles cannot reach, cables become the most crucial tool. Logs are pulled up, overcoming steep slopes, all thanks to human strength and ingenuity. There's no task too difficult if we are determined to do it.